Jaji Ojwang niacokanĩirie mĩario na amemba a kamĩtĩ ĩyo thutha wa kĩũria kĩa Jaji Aggrey Muchelule igũrũ rĩa marũa aratuĩka andĩkĩte igũrũ rĩa mĩrutĩre ya wĩra ya acirithania na majaji.
How was the complaint to be raised? It was to be raised through a letter. That is the letter.
And in that letter, Judge, I'm saying you are giving notice to the JSC that unless you do this, this is what we will do.
Okay, do you want it to be a notice to Parliament? It is going to the right person. So the right person should just respond, because you are stopping the Supreme Court from sitting at the Supreme Court and giving its judgments. And so you're being told that you are the writers of this letter. Please make sure that the Supreme Court will do its work. But if you do not want the Supreme Court to do its work, then it means you're precipitating a crisis in the judicial process. That's what we are being told, and it is true. The threat is there so that you may deal with it, you may address it and resolve the crisis.
You are found culpable and found guilty of misconduct and reprimanded.
Yeah, I disagree with that decision completely.
Yes, you may not agree,
no
but I'm saying you may not agree. There are many things we don't agree.
If you know it, then why are you putting it to me?
Just confirm, please.
I saw a letter from CRJ telling me so.
Yes.
Yeah. Please, give me a break.
Njukanĩrĩro ya mĩario yeha mũno nginya Jaji Ojwang ateta igũrũ rĩa ciũria cia Jaji Warsame.
From his pleadings, he was raising a legitimate question for determination.
Are you passing judgment over my judgment as a court? Or, you know, when I sit as a court, or when we sit 7 judges as a court, that is the authority that we're exercising of the court. But in your case, you want to change a decision of the court, or what is it you want to do?
No, Judge, you know, you are a 3-star general. I am a 2-star general. I can't change. And you know the law is very clear. You sit in the apex court. You are very powerful.
So you know the role of a judge better than I do?
No. Let us get each other right.
Chair, I need protection from this particular commissioner.
Let me stand you off.
Let me finish,
and allow the judge do not answer that question. We need to move to the next.
Let me finish. Answer question, please.
Jaji Ojwang niacokire orio ciuria igũrũ rĩa maũndũ mangĩ marĩa nĩ hamwe na mũtumia wake kũnyita itemi gĩthurano-inĩ kĩnene kĩrĩa kĩrĩga. Ningĩ nĩoririo atarĩrie mĩario yake ya hau kabere atĩ cikaro nene cia magoti na igoti tũgĩru mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nairobi nĩ ngũrũ mũno na itiagĩrĩire gũkorwo ikĩhũthĩka. Jaji Ojwang niwe wa mũico gwĩkinyia mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya JSC gatagatĩ ka Akenya 12 arĩa maikĩtie ihoya makĩenda kũiyũria wabici ya mũcirithania mũnene. Gladys Kigo, Inooro TV.